In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a dynamic 3D effect to your photos using CapCut. This can really make your images pop and create more engaging content. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be familiar with how to place photos on your timeline and apply stunning 3D effects for an impressive finish. Let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is open up CapCut and begin by placing your chosen photo onto the timeline. This is your starting point where the magic begins. If you're new to CapCut, you can simply drag and drop the photo from your library onto the timeline area at the bottom of the screen. Doing this allows you to have a base for applying your effects, and it's crucial to ensure that your photo is well positioned to make the most of the effect we're about to apply. Once your photo is in place, the next step is to add some flair with effects. Head over to the Effects panel, which is your gateway to a whole world of creative possibilities. In the Effects section, use the search bar to look for either 3D Zoom or 3D Photo. These are the specific effects that will allow you to give your photo that eye-catching 3D look. For those who are new to using effects, it's worth noting that CapCut offers a wide range of options, but today we're just focusing on these two to keep things simple and impactful. With the effect found, you're going to want to apply it to your photo clip in the timeline. To do this, you'll click on the effect and drag it over to your photo. This action is as straightforward as it sounds. Just click, hold, and drag the effect from the Effects panel over to your photo on the timeline. Once applied, pay attention to how the photo transforms. You'll notice that the effect adds depth, creating a sense of movement and bringing a new dimension to your image. Taking a moment to preview your work is essential. Play through the timeline to see how the 3D effect plays on your photo. It might require some minor adjustments to ensure it looks just right, perhaps tweaking the length of the effect or adjusting the photo's position slightly. Remember, editing is often about experimenting, so don't hesitate to make small tweaks to get the best result. And that's it. You've successfully placed a photo on your CapCut timeline and applied a captivating 3D effect. This process is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your photos and make them stand out. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now inspired to try out more effects and get creative with your content. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.